Good morning, I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. Thanks for joining me today. I am holding some vacation guides. So I picked up this little magazine, and then this was another one that I looked. We didn't go here, but it was with this one, and I thought I might be able to get some nice images from here. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is take the staples out, because there's a really neat little image here that I guess it is on two different pages anyway, but I don't want to rip up the edges trying to cut it out or you know, tear it out. So I don't know if this is going to work. I might have to just do this. I have a hold on, I might have a staple remover. Let's see. I'm not even sure how to use a staple remover. Is it this way you do it? I feel like, how is this going to work without ripping it? I think this seems like a better choice, but I don't know if that's working either. I think it's loose enough now to take it out. If you know how to use a staple remover correctly, let me know. It came out. I'll do the rest offline. I think I may have been not filming when I cut out all these pages from this little catalog here. So I am sorry, I don't want this guy. I think I'll take Inspired by Nature. Yeah, so just in case I didn't film it, what I was talking about was my grandson and granddaughter were here for a week, and while they were here, we went to the Ithaca waterfalls, and my son and daughter-in-law went to Watkins Glen, and the pictures they took are just stunning. I don't think I really want... maybe I'll keep the map. Oh, the waterfalls there and the scenery there was just stunning. I think I will take this, though. This is the back cover, so it's kind of thick. So I hope I was filming before, but my camera shut off, so I have a feeling that it wasn't filming. So anyway, I think that's it for this one. I am going to keep this map because I can use it as backgrounds. Ithaca's a really nice city, by the way. I really love going there. And we have two covers. We had a hot air balloon going right past our house the other morning. Oh. I'm just going to flip through this one just to show you the kind of things you can get out of a catalog like this. Top 10 waterfalls. This is where we go all the time. Tughanic Falls and Buttermilk Falls. And I'd like to check out some of the other ones someday. I didn't even know there were so many. I should show you some pictures of... Actually, I'll make a video of our waterfall adventure. This paper is not glossy, so that's kind of different. More maps. I can't honestly say I'm finding a whole lot in here that I would cut out. There's a few things, though. There's definitely more in the other one. downtown Ithaca, there's a really nice area called Ithaca Commons, and they blocked off the street and made it like an outdoor mall, and it's just got a bunch of unique shops. It's got like a gift shop slash souvenir shop, lots of bookstores. I think there's 3 bookstores, and a really nice shop called the Mockingbird Paperie, and it's like a stationery slash gift shop. It's expensive though. But they got beautiful papers, you know, like Chiogami papers and wrapping paper that you just buy by the sheet and that kind of stuff. So, yeah, so this is this one. This is just a flip through. I could probably saw about maybe 10 or so pictures that I'm going to cut out, but and not a whole lot of words. This is mostly just places and addresses. But anyway, you should be on the lookout. There was a lot of waterfall pictures I'm going to cut out. Alright, so I guess I'll show you all the images that I did cut out real quick. Hopefully I was in frame there. There was a couple that there's good pictures on both sides, which I'll have to decide, like this one, Harriet Tubman. There's the map, but I might also use these pictures. Beautiful autumn picture. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why I kept this one. I don't remember. Maybe for this or this. I don't know. I might throw that one out. Some of the waterfalls. I can't tell which way it is. This way. There's the falls. This is the Tuckhannock Falls. This is where we went with our grandson. Oh, did you get to see the whole thing? You can go to the bottom of that too. Top and bottom. And that's it. That's what I picked from those 2 brochures. So I'm going to just put them in here for now. I have a bunch of different places where I store my pictures and things for collaging. So that's going to go in there. I think I'm just going to, might as well put that in there with it. And I will put these in my Word box. I have 2 Word boxes. This is where I have them all categorized. Oh, these aren't words. How'd they get in there? This is supposed to be my Word box, and my Word boxes are all categorized in different envelope or different baggies. Like this is food and health, seasons, pets and animals. But before I get them organized, I stick them in here until I feel like organizing them. And so these are going to go in here. I think that about does it for this video, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.